In this video, I'll guide you through how you can set a minimum order amount in your Shopify store. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To set a minimum order amount on your Shopify store, at the beginning you have to click on Apps. Now click on App Settings. Now click on Shopify App Store and search for an app called Quantity. Once you found OC Order Limit Bundle Quantity, then click on it. Now you have to click on Install button. Again, click on Install button. Then you have to activate the theme extension. Now you have to click on Limit Purchase and then add product that has a limit. Now you have to click on Limit Product. If you want to add limit on a single product, then choose the first option. Or if you want to add limit on a multiple product, then choose many products. Let's go with the single product and search for the product. Let's go with this one and click on add. Now you have to add the minimum purchase amount. Let's go with 3 and save the changes. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily set a minimum order amount on your Shopify store.